The BMW G12 is a big car, which means a big investment, and a BimmerTech Dashcam is one of the best ways to help protect that investment.
Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. You've seen us talk about and install our dashcam in a bunch of different BMWs before, and now we're adding one more to the list, the BMW 7 Series G12. But before we get into showing you just how fast and easy it is to install, let's cover some quick specs on our dashcams.
This plug-and-play dashcam fits perfectly behind the rearview mirror, allowing this G12 to have a discreet 4K dashcam always running when you need it most. With the included 128GB SD card and optional rear dashcam, you won't miss anything regardless if you're driving at night, in the rain, or during sunset or sunrise.
There are two ways to install our dashcams. One, you can tap into the rain sensor located behind the rearview mirror, or you could run the cabling and tap into the fuse panel. Today, we'll be focusing on the rain sensor method.
If your car does not have a rain sensor, you can power the dashcam right from your fuse panel. To learn more about that and to learn how to run the optional rear dashcam, check out the installation video on our F30. While the vehicle is different, the principle is the same. Remove some trim and tap into the fuse location you need. Keep in mind you will get a detailed set of PDF instructions with your order specific to your vehicle.
The fuse panel method will also allow your camera to begin recording when your BMW is parked and it detects that it has been hit. Installation of the optional rear dashcam is also very simple as well. You simply feed the cabling to the rear of the vehicle. You can go check out our F30 video to get a basic idea on how that is done. But with all that out of the way, Jarrett is going to show you how to install this dashcam on a G12. Jarrett, take it away.
The first thing you should do is disconnect the battery before dealing with anything electronic. There are 3 batteries in this car, and BMW requires you to disconnect them in the following order: the one under the hood, the small one in the rear, and finally the larger main battery. Once the batteries are disconnected, it's time to move on to the dashcam. With the BimmerTech trim tool, remove the upper trim by prying. Use caution to make sure you don't damage any of the tabs. Next, do the same with the middle trim piece. Finally, pry back the tabs on the sides to remove the lower trim piece. Now it's time to install the dashcam. Since the rear dashcam will not be installed during this installation, Jarrett opted to remove the connector for the rear dashcam. Snap the dashcam in place of where the lower trim was. To plug it in, use the aid of a pick tool to pop out this purple connector. Once free, plug it into the BimmerTech Dashcam harness. Plug the red connector into where you just removed the factory connector from. After that, plug the dashcam into the other end of the connector that you just installed. Use a cable tie to tidy up the slack. And tuck the cables up and out of the way. To finish up the installation, snap back in the middle trim, and then snap back in the upper trim. And reconnect all of your batteries in the following order: main rear, small rear, and front. After that, you're done.
That's it. That's all there is to it. Again, for all the specs on this camera and some example clips, you can go check out our other videos linked in the description. Want one of these for your BMW? Head on over to our site and enter your VIN to get the compatible kit for your ride. Have any more questions about this dashcam? You can reach out to our sales team via chat on our site or by calling. Already have the dashcam and have any questions about the install or anything else? You can reach out to our support team with your order number and they will be eager to assist. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first? Head on over to our site and sign up for our newsletter. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.